In this video, I'm going to check to see if there are any updates in the DJI simulator. So I'm going to tap on the DJI simulator, and instantly I'm using the RC2 controller. Let's tap on the three dots there. Let's tap on About, and there's a new version available. So, to my surprise, let's tap on that new version available button, and new version 1.1.1 is available. Fix the error of placing aircraft in some device locale settings. I didn't really experience that. Correct the appearance of the DJI 3S 3D model. Fix the problem that aircraft occasionally fails to take off via control sticks. Okay, so let's tap on Install and install. This is not time-lapsed, so this looks like it's a pretty quick download. Okay, done. And it should take us back out to the main screen like this one. And let's go back into the DJI simulator. Let's tap on Drone Hangar. Okay, there's the Mavic 4 Pro. I have that selected. Let's go back. And let's go into immersive flight. I'm going to select Stonehenge and then go fly. Okay, there's the robot avatar. I'm going to move him forward. I'm pushing forward on the left stick on the RC2 controller, and let's turn him in this direction right here, and I'm going to place aircraft. Okay, with that update, I'm going to check to see if there's anything new in settings. So I'm going to go into settings, the three dots, upper right hand corner, and under safety, obstacle sensing action bypass, advanced return to home is optimal. The return to home altitude, I'm going to drop that down a little bit. Oops. That's one of those fat fingers. Let's say 86 meters is fine. In the event of a signal loss, return to home. Okay. So nothing has changed under safety in this update since the last one. Under control, gain and expo tuning. Let's go in there. I can't use, there is no way to convert this to Imperial, so I'll leave these settings as they are. Let's go back. The stick mode is mode 2. Now this is different because in the last update, this said American mode. So let's tap on that. Okay, you can't go in there, but it does. Now it says mode 2. All right, so that's new in this update. Button customization. These are the settings on my RC2 controller in the real world. The C1 button is gimbal recenter or down, and the C2 button is for cruise control. So that's fine. I'll leave that as it is. Let's go back, and under camera, there's nothing in here other than the guidelines. I'm going to leave that guideline turned on there. Let's go under transmission, coming soon, about coming soon. So the only thing I saw that has changed here is the stick mode, mode 2. Okay, let's go out to the main screen, and let's go over to the left hand side, and let's check to see if we can do waypoints. I'm tapping on the waypoint icon, coming soon. Okay, I see that on the attitude indicator, the compass is not embedded within it. That's okay for now. And over to the right hand side, let's tap on this, and by default it sits at photo, so I'm going to put this in video mode. All right, and at the very bottom right hand corner, it is in the auto mode. If I tap on that, I can put it in the pro mode. Can I make any changes here? Because right now I see that it's in a 4K 60 frames per second. So let's tap on that, and I don't see where I can change that. I can change the white balance, but I can't change the frame rate. But that's quite okay. With the shutter speed and ISO, those can be changed. Okay, that's good. All right, so I'll leave it there in the Pro mode. I'm in the in mode, and let's go ahead and start recording. Now I see over to the right-hand side, I have a 1x zoom, 2.5 zoom, 6x zoom. Let's tap on 6x zoom again. 12x zoom, 18x zoom, 24x zoom, and back to 6x zoom. I'm going to put this back on 1x zoom. I'll play around with that once I get it in the air. So let's start recording, and let's take off. In fact, what I want to do, let's land this again. Let's land it. And I'm going to take off using the joysticks. I'm going to move them inward, and let's go up. Let's go forward. Just flying around. There is a maneuver that I want to try, that I've always wanted to try with my Mini 4 Pro, but was afraid to do it because it's real world. Here I can attempt it and practice it. So I'm going to do that. And I'll show you what that maneuver is here in a few moments. Let's fly over the Stonehenge and ascend. And let's turn around. Yeah, there it is down there. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to descend. And the maneuver I want to see if I can do here is to circle an object. In this case, circle the Stonehenge structure without using any of the quick shot functions there. So let's get close to it. I'm going to place that crosshair right there in the middle. Okay. Let's see if I can do this now. I believe I have to move the sticks a certain way to accomplish that. So wish me luck here. So let's see how I do. Let's drop this a little lower. All right. Let's try this. Okay, going around. I'm being very subtle on these sticks, so I'm able to do it. So with the practice, I'll get better at this. I see here that with this maneuver, you definitely need good thumb coordination here to pull this off. Not bad for the first try. Okay, I'm going to land it, and I want to go into the city scenario and check out some of these zoom functions. There really isn't much here to zoom in on other than the structure itself. So I'm going to return to home and then go into the city. Okay, exit. All right, and let's go into State Park and then tap on Go Fly. Still using the Mavic 4 Pro. Let's move him forward just a little bit, about right there. And let's place the aircraft. And let's take off. Let's see if I can find some signage. Let's go down. Let's angle the gimbal down. There's something there. Let's see, we can zoom in on that. So I'm going to tap on the 6x zoom. Wow. Is that how it is on the Mavic 4 Pro? That's 6x. Let's tap on 6x again. That's 12x. And then we have 18x, 24x, and then back to 6x. Let's go back to 1x, and let's find one more. There's a street sign right there. So let's go 6x. North 495. Listen, living 55 miles south of Washington, D.C. and having commuted there, I can't even count the times, having worked up there, I do not wish I-95 or her tributaries, 395 and 495 on anyone. The traffic is crazy. All right, so that's 6x zoom. Let's tap on that again and go to 12x. Let's bring this up. If that is the clarity on the Mavic 4 Pro, that is impressive. Let's go 18x. Wow. And then 24x. Wow. Let's go back to 1X. And let's return to home. I'm impressed with the progress that DJI has made with the flight simulator. As I said in the last video, it appears that it is evolving. That Mavic 4 Pro looks like it's an awesome drone. I wouldn't mind owning one, but I can't justify the expense for the drone itself and the RC2 Pro controller. It's too much, in my opinion. I'm very happy with the Mini 4 Pro. If I had the money that I can just throw at it, I would do it, but I don't. Unless DJI wants to send me one to review and allows me to keep it, and I doubt if that will ever happen. So what I saw in this flight simulator update was that one change in settings with the stick mode being at mode 2, but you cannot select any other modes. It's just mode 2 for now. And anything else I did not notice in the last update. In my case, I can't speak for others, but in my case, I really saw nothing significant changing in this latest flight simulator update. So that's it for now. You guys take care.